What's going on, you guys? Ice Cream Junkie here, and I have another unboxing video for you guys today. I don't do as much of these. If you guys want more unboxing videos, just let me know in the comments below. But today I'm going to be unboxing these Philips Mix and Match headphones. So I really like headphones that have these things that can go over your ears, simply because my ears are like weirdly shaped, so earbuds don't fit that well, and it makes your ears really sore after a while. So I prefer good quality headphones, but when you're on the go, it's really nice to have a pair of like cheap small pair. These were like 15 bucks on Amazon. There were only like 12 left in stock, so I almost wonder if they were discontinued. I'd have to try to find like the year they were made. If I find it, I'll put it in the description. But yeah, these are the over-ear ones, and it looks like you can see we actually have these black and pink tops, so you can actually change them. So that way you can have some white, you can have some black. So it's just kind of cool. It seems like there's actually like a lot of like Chinese instructions or Japanese instructions. So, but we do have some English over here. But yeah, it's probably manufactured in China, because that's where most things are. But before I waste any more time, let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing process. So it looks like we just have a relatively simple unboxing. Looks like we just have to, we have some things to get right here. I'm really bad at unboxing things because I'm never actually able to save the box, but this is pretty easy to unbox. So not the smoothest unboxing, but it can be a lot worse than that. But I hate it when you actually need scissors to open up a pair of scissors, because that's too hard to cut. It's like, really? That's kind of why I bought scissors, was to open the heavy packing. But come on, I can do this. I'm a big boy. I can do it. Yeah, I am definitely not that good with unboxing. You can make fun of me in the comments. I honestly don't care. But we're getting somewhere, that's for sure. Ooh, we're almost there, you guys. Ooh, well, I actually just moved the little camera. There we go. Here we go. This is really lightweight. So here are the actual headphones. You got the information on the back. I'm going to try to save that. And it looks like we can just simply drag out here. Alright, cool. Look at that little sticky thing. Cool. Here is the cord. This looks like a pretty long cord. It's going to be your standard, at least I'm guessing it's going to be the standard 3.5mm headphone jack. But yeah, it looks like we do have these. We do have two pink and two black ones that you can substitute if you don't like the white. And of course, that's kind of why they're mix and match, but they're also over ear. And so I'm just going to try to take these out without breaking them, because I do have a tendency to break pretty much anything I get my hands on. But there we go, got that one out. And I will show a scene of me wearing these so that you guys can see what they look like. I actually have a pair similar to this, but the whole reason that they're like the over-ear ones, but they actually stopped manufacturing them, which is kind of a disappointment to me. I'm lucky I was able to find these, but literally someone at school came up to me and was like, "What are those?" Just because they do look pretty dorky, but hey, there you go. Wow, that actually doesn't, it's not like I was expecting. I think it'll still be able to go over my ear, but it definitely doesn't feel quite as nice as I was expecting. I thought I would be able to like adjust it, but that's fine. I'm gonna see if I can actually how easy it actually is to take one of these off. I'll try to read the instructions to put one of these things on. But yeah, let me go ahead and plug them into a device. I'll put them on, and then I'll let you know about the quality of the audio, because that's definitely really important for headphones, and cheap ones can have problems with that. So I'll let you know. Well, guys, I did decide to do the little mix and match thing. I took off the white cap and put on the black one. They don't come off real easy. I was actually kind of worried that I was gonna break it. But let's see. I switched out the white one for that one, and I'm gonna do a pink one for the left ear. The ladies will probably like this, but I'm just gonna, because of the pink, but it is a little difficult to remove. I kind of thought I was gonna break it, because I break a lot of things, but if you really try, you're actually able to take it off without breaking it. Which, me trying to pry something and not actually having it break is kind of a rare occurrence, because I am not very careful with my things. I think I've had to send my phone in for repairs several times. But there we go. You can see now you can mix and match, be wacky, do whatever you want. These were all the leftover things. But I haven't actually tried these yet. But let me go ahead, plug them into this iPad right here, play some Spotify jams, and let you know how it feels. Alright, you guys, I have plugged in the headphones to my iPad, and it works with the standard 3.5mm headphone jack. Got my Spotify, and this is what it looks like on your ears. I mean, you might get teased at school if you wear these because they do look kind of dorky, but they're really good for people who earbuds don't fit. The cord isn't super long, but it'll work. If the iPad is right here, I can go to about right here before it starts to stretch on me. But honestly, I haven't even tried these headphones yet, but I do have these. If you want to see the unboxing video for these, I'll put that in the description. These are just for school because these are kind of too big to carry around at school and good for exercising and stuff. But I haven't even tried it yet, so let's go ahead and play a song. I'm probably going to get the stupid ad thing. Yup, I'm getting an ad. Definitely not the best audio quality. Because I'm actually kind of surprised because these being $15. That's okay. I'm going to wait for this ad to finish and then I'll be able to tell you more. Alright, so I got a song going now. You can see it's, I don't know how well you can see, but it's The River by Some Little. Good song. But the audio quality is not as bad as I thought. Let me listen a little. You know, it's not bad. I'll let you guys listen a sec. I'll try to turn the volume up. I'm going to take my earbud out before I do that. It's not bad. Let me just put them back in. They are a little tricky to get in, but they're not too bad. I'm sure I'll find a trick that'll make it easier. Alright, I'll get that volume back up. But yeah. Oh my gosh, this is cringy. I didn't even get this headphone in. Come on. There we go. But yeah, they fit nicely. They don't look the best, but they're all right. They are glasses friendly, so if you don't have great vision like me and need visual aids, literally, they're glasses friendly, which these are not. My glasses feel very uncomfortable when I have to wear these. So, but let me try another song here. The audio quality really isn't bad. I'll probably try them out for a little bit and then let you guys know in the description once I've done them more. But yeah, you guys, these aren't bad. And of course, you got the mix and match action there. So if you want to order these, I will put an Amazon link to them in the description. I don't know if they still manufacture them. I would have to look at that. But thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.